Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Locate the gift card code or scratch-off area and confirm the printed value because mistakes stall redemption. Open the Phonepe app and sign in. If you aren't verified, complete KYC now since some redemptions require it. Once done, tap the Payments or Profile menu to find the Redeem/gift card option. This gets you directly into the entry screen where you'll input the code. Make sure your app is up to date to avoid UI differences. You now enter the code and confirm details. Tap Redeem Gift Card and select the correct card type if prompted, because mismatches cause errors. Carefully type or paste the code exactly as shown, checking for similar characters like O versus 0. After entry, Phonepe displays the amount and any terms. Read them briefly to know how balance will appear. Tap Redeem to submit. If the app asks for OTP or PIN, enter it. This verifies you and completes the middle, crucial execution step. You finish by confirming the credit. Check your Phonepe wallet or linked payment method for the new balance. It should reflect immediately, and you can save a screenshot or note the transaction ID for records. If the redeem fails, don't panic. Verify the code was entered exactly, ensure strong internet, and that your app is current, then retry. If problems persist, contact Phonepe support with the card image and transaction ID so they can trace and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.